Simple solution 43, answers. All right, number 1, you have to list the factor pairs of 33. You could do your factor tree or simply just tell me 3 times 1 is 33 and 3 times 11, giving it 4 factors. Number 2, we're talking about daylilies, and they are 36 inches, and they want to know how many feet that is. Well, you need to know that there are, that 1 foot equals 12 inches. So then how many 12s are in 36? And that would be 3 feet. Expanded form, we should have 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 3. Number 4, you had to find the sum. For 12,914. Number 5, they're telling you this is a right angle. You should know that a right angle measures 90 degrees. If you know one piece of it, subtract to find the other. So x is 34 degrees. All right, number 6. All right, we're doing 6 times as many cookies as peanut butter, which would be 7 times, which is 42 chocolate chip cookies. All right, number 7, we're talking about fish on Monday, 76 on Tuesday. I'm going to start with that first. I want to know how many fish. We saw half of that. So now 200. All right, so 145 and 55. All right, so we have 400 total. If she saw half of that, no, I'm sorry. If she, half of 400 is 200. I'm sorry. All right, so the last week she sees half as many fish. Yeah, so the first week she sees 400. Half of 400 is 200. So in total, she has 400 from the first week, half of that for the next week, for 600 fish as your final answer. Number 8, when you compare fractions that have like denominators, just look at the numerators and determine which one is greater than or less than. All right, rounding should be 56,000 to the nearest 1,000. Number 10, we have distributive property. 8,000 times 8, 20 times 8, and 1 times 8. So we're going to have 64,160 and 8 for 64,168. All right, number 11, they call this a matrix model. Now, a matrix model is the area model. All right, so we have 48 and 30 plus 1. All right, so our first box is going to be 1,200. 40 times 1 is 40. 30 times 8 is 240, and 8 times 1 is 8. Now, you can go through here and add down, or you can add across. It doesn't matter. Either way, if you divide or if you add left or right, you're going to get the same product. That is 1,488. All right, so 12. We have a subtraction problem. 224. All right, 13. We have an angle here, angle, measurement of angle LMN. All right, so kind of what you have to do here is you have to determine what this says and what that says. So if you look in, this is an acute angle, so from here to here is about 50 degrees. And over here, this is 40 degrees. So what you could do is you could add that up. Or, no, that's 90 degrees. And then you do 180 minus 90, which is going to give you 90 degrees. Right? 14, you have 180 divided by 6. Okay, looking at this, I can already tell you that 6 will go into 18. If I think about multiples of 6, it's 3. So if I have a 0 there, this is 30 for a remainder of 0. That's your quotient. All right, number 15, we have a daisy, 3 feet tall. The sunflower is 2 times as many. How tall is the sunflower? That would be 6 feet.